please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream One if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today, we are going to be talking about embroidery, and not just any embroidery, but 5 dreamy tips to make your stitches rich. We're talking about getting an embroidery business and making actual money. So I have 5 tips for you that are absolutely amazing. I will be using none other than my RICOMA EM-1010, which that is down in the description. Thanks for everybody who has been purchasing. Happy embroidery, y'all. Let's get it. We will also be mixing some things today. We're going to be doing embroidery as well as 3D puff from VTS, which is Vinyl and Tool Supply. There's a link and a coupon code in the description for this puff vinyl, because once you see it, you're going to want it. So anywho, we're going to be mixing some embroidery and some 3D puff and giving some tips. You do not want to miss this video. Stay to the end. Let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. So here I am on my RICOMA EM-1010. Once again, that link is down in the description for it. And I am just picking the colors. I'm getting my shirt together with my stabilizer. This is cutaway stabilizer. And as I'm talking and giving away the tips, I will just be embroidering business as usual, okay? So you guys can see what I'm doing in the back, lint rolling, all of that stuff. But let's get down to the tips. Oh, but before we spill the thread, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any dreamy content. All right, so first things first, find your niche or niche, however you pronounce it. Are you going to do floral designs, sassy quotes, birthday shirts, urban wear? Maybe you want to even do pet portraits. I mean, the possibilities are literally endless. So picking a niche is like choosing your favorite ice cream flavor. It makes life sweeter. It makes it easier for you to advertise, for you to promote, for you to run your business, because you have a specific niche as well as target market. Okay, so grab you a notebook, a pen, and jot down what makes your stitches stand out. Remember, uniqueness is key. All right. Number 2, quality materials. We gonna start off right now with the embroidery machine. Okay, so the RICOMA EM-1010 is a easy, user-friendly embroidery machine. You guys have seen me live, figuring it out, working through it. I'm always transparent. I absolutely love this machine. And I mean, I would suggest this machine. So you can reach out to some of my RICOMA support team down in the description to grab your own. All right. So anywho, make sure you have a great embroidery machine. Next, we want to talk about thread. My fellow dreamers, you wouldn't build a castle on a sandy beach, right? Well, don't build your empire with cheap materials. Trust me, you don't want your embroidery to look like a spaghetti disaster. Invest in quality materials and your stitches will thank you. All right. If you want to know what I use, leave the comments down below. I'll share where I get my materials from. Okay. Because quality is key. Now, for those that love ASMR and you guys actually want to hear this beautiful, pretty Ricky RICOMA machine, let's hear it for a second. Now, I always share how much I actually love how soothing it sounds. So I had to give y'all just a little sneak peek before we go into tip number 3, which is social media magic. If you guys follow me on my social media accounts, then you know that I'm not only promoting my YouTube, my business, my coaching, I'm sharing my life with you guys and I'm making it fun. I'm letting you guys know me. So social media is my jam. It's always been my jam. So it's time for you to get social as well. Social media is your magic wand. Do you hear me? Use your platform like Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Facebook, TikTok to showcase your dazzling designs. No one knows what you do if you don't show it. Let's take a minute and look at that design in the back right there. Oh, baby, that looks so good. Oh, yeah, we did that. Anywho, we're going to talk about pricing just really quick. You want to get serious about your moolah, your money, your coins, dreamers. Pricing your creations is an art, just like embroidery itself. So you're going to have to calculate your costs, add your profit. Remember, you're not just selling embroidery, you're selling a piece of art. Now, if you look in the background, we went ahead and cut and weeded that 3D puff, y'all. So I hope you guys are paying attention. Now, I'm just showing you the finished product because that looks so cute. And we're going to just add that puff, right? So I'm trying to figure out how I want to lay it down, how I want to add it. We do have to lint roll and pre-press the shirt just like normal. I will be using this at 300 degrees for 10 seconds. This is the metallic gold, and that is the great pressure and time. It's heavy pressure, and that is the perfect time and temp for this one that I'm using today. So keep watching in the back as I finish going over the last couple tips, okay? So tip number 5 is going to be customer love and feedback. Last but certainly not least, you want to make sure that you're showing love to your customers. My dreamers, y'all know I love y'all so much. So make sure you build a connection with your customers and allow them to provide you feedback, get feedback from them, what you could do better, etc. Make this a relationship, because at the end of the day, your customers are going to be the people to keep your business afloat. So read their feedback, respond to their comments, give them a reason to rave about your stitches. Building a community, I am telling you, is one of the most important and unique things in creating a brand and being successful. Okay, y'all, it is time to see how this metallic puff works. Ooh, wee, come through. Look how puffy that is. Spooky cutie. Oh my goodness. Absolutely fell in love with this design. The embroidered design was from Creative Fabrica. And then, like I said, the vinyl puff is from BTS. Everything, all the links will be down in the description because y'all, look at this. Oh, this turned out so cute. I love it on the color. I love everything about this. And I love how we mix and match. So let's take a look a little bit close. Look how puffy this puff is. To be 100% honest, I've been using puff for about 2.5, 3 years. This is the best puff that I've personally seen in person. Now, I do know there's more puff on the market. I'll try more puff. But right now, this puff right here, baby, the proof is in the pudding. Do y'all see how this look? So this is something you can also incorporate. Like, wait, look at it. Stop playing with this puff. But as I was about to say, this is something that you can incorporate in your embroidery business as well. Layering and adding not just embroidery, but vinyls and puff vinyls and different things like that. Because you want to be unique, you want to stand out, and you want to make your customers keep coming back more and more, right? So that is what you want to do when you have any type of business. So yeah, y'all, get into it. And those are my 5 dreamy tips to make your stitches rich. Here is the recap. Go ahead and screenshot this so that you can have this for your leisure. If you want to review them, watch the video over, etc. I hope you guys were taking notes because I believe these were great tips. So remember to find your niche, use quality materials like the RICOMA EM-1010. Come on, y'all. This embroidery machine is the bomb, okay? Conquer social media, price like a pro, and cherish your customers like treasure because they are treasure. All right, y'all, and that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, DoDream1 is the handle. TikTok, DoDream1 is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. For your time, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.